Okay. The totisesvn will setup will run, accept the agreement, and then location, and then install the tortoisesvn client. Okay, finish. Once your installation is complete, if you go to the my computer and go to the C drive, any folder you create, you will see in a right click menu svn checkout and totisesvn as steps as a context menu options. When you right click, you get svn checkout and totisesvn as context menu options. Now the next step 2 is step 2 is creating the repo. How do you create repo? Is you create a new folder here. In C, I am creating a new folder, tortoise repo. Okay, tortoise repo I am creating. Go to svn and say create repo here. Okay, so we create a folder structure. Okay, folder structure is created, and look at the repo folder structure here. Okay, this is a folder structure. Okay, repository is created. Once repository is created, now third step is if you have multiple projects. What you need to do is you have to create users. Okay, desktop. Okay, so I need to create a temporary folder called tortoise repo. Projects, and then in this you have to create a folder structure. Project 1, project 2. If you work in multiple projects, you have to specify a number of projects. Project 3. Okay, once the project is created, you have to create 3 folders, each of them branches, trunk, tag. Okay, if you look at the repo structure here, control panel, C drive, if you see totisesvn repo browser, we have branches, tags, trunk. Okay, same folder structure I am creating here. Tags. Okay, create as tags. Okay, for this project 1. Okay, copy. To project 2. Okay, paste. To project 3. Paste. Now you need to import this to our step 4. Import this folder structure to the our repo. Step 4 is that can be done by you go this totisesvn, import year of the repo, C tortoise repo. Okay, and then press OK. See, all the repositories are imported from this temporary folder. Okay, completed revision 2. Okay, added 12, import finished. Now go to our repo. Step 5, my computer. See, tortoise repo, svn checkout, repo browser. See, project 1 is there. For each project there is repo is there. Okay, these are master project, these are projects, okay, that we are working on. Okay, this is tortoise repo. Once tortoise repo client is there, we need to install subversion. We are going to install Visual SVN server, subversion server. Copy it and paste it here. Visual SVN server. Visual server will run the installer. Visual SVN server will come. Go to the next and accept the user agreement. Here we are going to install Visual SVN server as well as management console to administer Visual server. I want to compare editions here. Visual SVN licensings. See, enterprise edition is used for commercial use. Okay, management console is available. Windows certificate is basic, is integrated. Single sign-on, freedom server. So we are going to install the standard edition here. Okay, subversion server, we are going to install standard edition. Basic with their active credentials. Okay, free download. We are going to install standard edition. We are not going to install enterprise edition here. It costs $950 per server. Okay, so we are going to install standard edition. Location is C Windows server and repositories, C repositories. Locate the server port 443 and we begin installation. SVN server, Visual SVN server. Server manager is started. Once this comes, service is running, error login is enabled, access login is disabled. Okay, 0 repositories. We need to create a repositories over here. Create a new repository over here. Okay, after SVN server has been installed, what you have to do is you have to go to programs. We have to go to programs, Visual SVN manager. In the repositories, you have to create a new repository. Raghu, single project. I am going with a single project. Also, project will be created. Copy this URL. Copy this URL, finish, and go to the browser and paste it. You get the SVN server repository. Okay, SVN server repository. Before that, you need to add users to it. You can create a user, Jones, who can access it, this repository. Okay, we have to create the user Jones like this. Okay, this is Visual SVN server.